Everything okay out here? Kids getting hungry?
Yeah. We're done. We just...
Oh, Jane. Some of my beeswax, so please don't talk.
Come on, talk, Nichole. Go.
Yeah, we're going to see you tomorrow night for sure, right?
Absolutely.
What did you see? What did you see?
Snake, Nick.
Really?
Hi.
Okay, he checked in, then you arrived, then you met at the elevator, popped the kids there, and the doctor went up, the doctor came down, and then there was a thumbs up. That's it. I have no idea what happened in between. No. God's leading.
You're such a brat. I got it.
He does that make me think she's choking.
What you doing, stinkers? Smile for the camera. I love it when she calls. Look at you. Oh.